Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss part 3 of JKP Sub Inspector previous year question paper. So let's start. Today's first question is, mango shower is associated with which one of the following states? And the correct answer is D, Kerala and Karnataka. Next question, which one is a major river of Tamil Nadu? So the correct answer is B part Kaveri. 27th question, how was the Vular Lake formed? So it was formed due to tectonic activity. D is the correct answer. Next question. Duration of day and night in a country is influenced by its. So it is influenced by its latitudinal extent. A is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following water bodies separates Sri Lanka from India? So it is separated by Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar. B. Next question. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity enshrined in the preamble of Constitution of India were inspired by. So these were inspired by French Revolution. A is the correct answer. 31st question. In which state is the Manas National Park located? So it is located in Assam. A. Next question. In blood, platelets are required for. So it is required for clotting of blood. C is the correct answer. 33rd question. Which attribute of a sound wave is related to the loudness of sound? The correct answer is amplitude. A part. Next question. Who among the following was associated with the Mughal court as a physician of Prince Dara Shikoh? So the correct answer is B part, Francois Bernier. 35th question. An emergency under Article 352 of the Indian Constitution can be declared during. So it can be declared during war, external aggression or armed rebellion. D is the correct answer. Next question. The provisions of the Indian Constitution that most clearly expresses the power of judicial review is. So the correct answer is C part, Article 32. 37th question. The SAARC Secretariat is located at. It is located at Kathmandu. A is the correct answer. 38th question. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana has been launched for. It has been launched for financial inclusion. C is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following pairs of states of India indicates the easternmost and westernmost state? So the easternmost state is Arunachal and the westernmost state is Gujarat. D is the correct answer. Next question. Consider the following statements. First, a money bill can be introduced in any of the houses of parliament. Second, the determination whether a bill is a money bill is made by Union Cabinet. So both these statements are incorrect and the correct answer is D part, neither 1 nor 2. Next question. The Government of India Act 1919 clearly defined. So it clearly defined the jurisdictions of the central and provincial governments. B is the correct answer. 42nd question. The area known as Golan Heights sometimes appear in the news in the context of the events related to. So Golan Height is related to Middle East. 43rd question. The Government of India has established the Niti Aayog to replace the. So Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission. B is the correct answer. 44th question. Consider the following. First, the executive power of the Union of India is vested in the Prime Minister. Second, the Prime Minister of India must be an elected member of the Lok Sabha. So both these statements are incorrect and the correct answer is D part. 45th question. The provisions of the 5th and 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution have been made in order to. So 5th and 6th schedule talks about scheduled tribes and the correct answer is A part. Move on to next question. Which part of the Indian Constitution enshrines the idea of a welfare state? So it is DPSP and the correct answer is C. 47th question. Which one of the following countries is known as Land of Thousand Lakes? So this is static question and its answer is B part, Finland. Next question. Which one of the following pairs of glaciers and locations is not correctly matched? Let's see. First is Nubra Valley Glacier, Arunachal Pradesh. Second, Milam Glacier, Uttarakhand. Third, Bhaga Valley Glacier, Himachal Pradesh. Fourth, Zimu Glacier, Sikkim. So Nubra Valley is not correctly matched. So our answer would be A part. Next question. The Central Potato Research Institute is located at? It is located at Shimla. B is the correct answer. 50th question. Which one of the following gases is not responsible for global warming? So the correct answer is B part, oxygen. Next question. Which of the following statements regarding temperature of an object in Kelvin scale are correct? First, it can be negative, 0 or positive quantity. Second, it can either be a negative or a positive quantity. Third, it can never be negative. Fourth, it can be a 0 or a positive definite quantity. So statement third and fourth are correct, and the correct answer is C part. Next question. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. It is because of its hexagonal multi-layer structure. D part is the correct answer. Move on to next question. Which one among the following is responsible for the command, control and operational decisions of nuclear weapons in India? So it is Nuclear Command Authority. B is the correct answer. 54th question. Which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India? So it is mentioned in Article 14. A is the correct answer. So today's last question. The Counter-Insurgency and Jungle Warfare School of the Indian Army is located at? So it is located at Warranghte, C part. So guys, that's it from today's lecture. Thank you.